back to my channel. So today's video is going to be military related. So my fiance is currently deployed and I'm getting ready to pack him a care package to send off to him. His command currently is limited on water, so the items that I'm going to send him are going to be pretty much geared towards getting moisture and nutrients into his body until that issue is fixed. So stay tuned. I'm probably going to have to use 2 boxes because he said I don't need to send a care package that is bigger than a shoe bottle. These are my 2 options. I'm going to pack this one first to see if it will be enough room, but I have to pack all of these things that are in this bag here. So USPS offers large flat rate boxes of many different sizes, and you only have to pay $19.60 to ship the box. The boxes are free. So everything is sanitized that is in the bag. I'm going to break everything down first, and then I'm going to try to pack it, and if it doesn't fit, then I will put it into the other box. So I have shave cream. I'm just going to unpack it because we don't want any boxes, unnecessary space. It needs to be used for something else. So shaving cream, this is just a deodorant spray because he can't really take a shower right now because of the water. Deodorant. This here is a roll salve. You can use this on your elbows, knees, face, lips, cuticles. So this is really good overall moisture. I have shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner. I also have more lip moisturizer here. Razors for shaving. Micellar water. Okay, so this micellar water, you don't have to rinse when you use this. This is actually for babies, so this is not like the regular micellar water that is used for makeup. So he'll be able to use this on his face or his body without having to rinse it, as long as you have a towel. So that's pretty good. And it's fragrance free. It has organic aloe vera and olive oil. Also have WaterWipes. For his body. Face, I have these watermelon facial cleansing wipes that I got from Nordstrom Rack. 60 of these in here, so that's gonna last him a good while. I'll be sending another one probably next month. And then the water wipes, there's 60 wipes in each one of those, so I got 2 of those. And then I also have a roll salve, a lip balm as well that he can just carry with him while he's working throughout the day. And I also have toothpaste here, gum, to just promote, moisture in his mouth, because I know his mouth and his lips are super dry. All right, so as far as snacks, I have applesauce. There's only 4 in a pack, and I didn't want to pack so many because I don't have that much space, so I have to send another package. But there's 4 pouches, and this is good for his health, getting his fruits into his system. It's 100% fruit. I got this from Whole Foods. It's unsweetened, and this will help him with moisture in his mouth as well. I got his favorite candy, Sour Punch straws. Peppermint soft puffs just to promote, more moisture in his mouth once again. I got these marshmallows, strawberries and cream. I know he really likes sweets. So I got this Smash Mallow. It's strawberries and cream flavor from Whole Foods. And this is soft, so this can promote moisture in his mouth as well. And then he also likes this licorice vegan candy. And I got the raspberry flavor. Also got beef jerky. He loves beef jerky. So I got the original beef jerky and I got the teriyaki beef jerky. And I also have granola bars. So I'm sending these because I know he's going to be hungry sometimes. It's a dry food. And he really doesn't need this since he's not going to have much water to drink it down with. But I know he's going to be hungry when the galley is closed at night when he gets off work. There's 12 bars in each one of these. So I'm going to try to pack that in there as well. And then lastly, I have hand antibacterial wipes. He has plenty of these as well as hand sanitizer, but I just want to send some extras just in case. They're cucumber scent. I got these from Home Goods. So let's get to packing. And like I said, I've already sanitized all of these items. hopefully this video was helpful for anyone that's trying to figure out how to pack a care package. I'm gonna go ahead and pack everything up. I'm gonna put a little love letter on top of each one, and he'll email me and let me know how he likes everything. So let me know in the comments below if this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. Thanks again for watching.